What's up, traders? Going 3 for 3 today. Don't forget about the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. That's going to be next Friday night's live stream. Speaking of live streams, we are going to be live tonight at 9 o'clock Eastern. Be there or be square. Let's get to it. All right, traders, so we're going to start here with APT. This is our first trade. You're going to see it start to pump here. We're going to actually hit short the ask. We actually get filled 1/5 of our starting position there. We tried to get 50 shares. We only got 10. It does eventually come back up and fill us and try to go a little bit higher. I will scroll through just to get past that. You can see I put an order out for those 10 shares just in case it wanted to dip all the way back down there. It does come up and gives us our fill, end up raising our order just a little bit. And as it tries to go higher, you can see it start to get stuff there. Starts to come back down. And I think we're going to get that flush. We were having a little problem there at 960. Couldn't quite just hit the ask. Maybe if it came down, it was a little bit spready. But eventually we do get this 960 to break. And it does come down and fill us, which is right here. So I'll come back just so you can see the 60 break. Ask was coming down. People see that. Goes through and gives us our fill. So nice first trade there on APT. Our second trade of the day was on VERB. You can see us type it in there. It's going to come up. We were really looking for this to make a run up towards $3, but it was already a pretty big move. Got to the high from yesterday. I noticed that it's stalling here, really wanting it to go higher, but it's just not doing it. You can see it's just really struggling at this point after that huge move it's made. I tried to get in, and as you can see, it looked pretty fast there, but in real time, my order didn't fill right away, and I was a little confused, but then I looked up and saw it was on SSR, so it had to come down and then go back up for us to get filled on the ask. That's what it did. This does not end up going any higher. It ends up coming down and giving us our fill. That was a pretty quick trade there. You can see it coming down, trying to test that previous resistance, and it does. It actually goes down quite a bit, I think down towards like 265. But yeah, that was it for that. If we go to our third trade, which is right here on NAOV, this was just kind of a volume out of nowhere type trade, but you can see I waited until the volume was already in there. It started the double top, just played it off of $1 there. Also looked at the daily. I think the halt was at like $1.02 at the time, so it wasn't that big of a deal. Just got in looking for it to pull back before it tried to go through $1. It's exactly what it did. If we scroll out, you can see the 93 that I drew there was from the pre-market from the day before, so that's what we were going off of. Front ran that by like half a penny, I think it was, and we just took our profits. So as you can see, after we got out, this thing decided to go. The reason I actually am not currently playing this out of the halt when it did all this is because we ran out of shares. So didn't have any shares left, and yeah, that's all I got. I went 3 for 3 today. We are going to go ahead and scale up next week, so look forward to that. Feel free to stop by the live stream tonight. If we have enough people stop by, we'll talk about the week, and then we'll play some poker, maybe with a beer or two. And yeah, look forward to it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate your support. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And I will see you guys either tonight, and if I don't have a good weekend, I'll see you Monday morning. Peace.